All right, if you have an issue where you close the freezer door and the fridge door pops open, or vice versa, or if your door just isn't sealing properly, here's a good way to fix that. Take some Vaseline and smear it on the outside edge of the fridge seal. Go all the way around the door seal, making sure to cover the entire outer edge. Once you're done, close the door. You'll notice immediately that when you close one door, the other door doesn't pop open anymore. It'll also be much harder to open the door, which means the suction is stronger. You can do the same thing with the fridge door seal as well. Just apply Vaseline around the entire outside edge, close the door, and you'll notice it becomes much harder to open. If you've already tried using Vaseline on your fridge or freezer door seal and the door still isn't staying closed, or if you simply want your fridge doors to self-close after opening them, there's another easy solution. You can adjust the two front legs of your fridge. By raising the front legs slightly higher than the back legs, you tilt the fridge backward just a bit. This slight backward tilt allows the fridge doors to automatically swing closed if they're accidentally left open. To do this, just adjust each of the front legs by turning them clockwise, raising the front end of the fridge. Make sure both legs are adjusted evenly so your fridge remains stable. Once adjusted properly, you'll notice that even if your door pops open slightly, it'll naturally swing closed by itself thanks to gravity. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful fridge and freezer maintenance tips.